The Mix tab has been built into PowerPoint since the version 2016, and it's also in the 2019 version as well. It does two different things. One is that you can actually do screen recordings and bring them straight into your slide, screenshots as well, and you can insert videos and insert audio. That's a useful thing. But what it also does is it enables you to annotate and speak over your slides. So we can see here I've got a PowerPoint that I've set up with a couple of slides. Now what I can do is go to record, slide recording, and when you press that it comes up with a new screen which I can actually flip between the slides. I've got a record button, and when I press that, anything I now say is recorded, and I've also got on the right hand side some tools for annotating on the screen. So as I talk, I can choose a colour, choose an annotation, and I can just draw over particular bits and talk. And when I'm happy with that particular slide, I press the stop button or the pause button that was there, and now that slide is annotated. If I want to play it back, I can just press that button, and you probably won't be able to hear it very well, but it's actually playing back the sound that I used, and in a few seconds the annotation will appear on the screen. There you go, you can see it's playing it back. So if I press the escape button now, it'll go back to the editing window, and what I can now do is go to the next slide and I can annotate this one. So I'm just going to press record again, maybe choose a different colour this time, and you can see I've got the annotation, press the stop button, and now I've got two slides, both with their own annotation and both with their own audio recording. I could also edit the slide recording if I want to, but I'm happy, so I'm going to press close, and now the annotation, you can see it's added to the slides, and the audio has been added to the slides as well. And now what I want to do is make a video file of that, so I'm going to go to export to video, and then I'm going to choose one of the options. 720 or 1080 will work, so I do 720, press the next button. It'll ask me what I want to call it, so I'll call it My Mix, press the save button, and now it will create you a video file, and you can put that video file onto Google Classroom, you could put it up to YouTube, you could do whatever you want with it.